Hi guys, it's Sumoto Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel and thank you so much guys for clicking and thank you for always coming here to watch my videos. If you are new here, please don't hesitate to subscribe these authentic videos. If you are emoji and you have been watching this video, kudos to you, congratulations. And my new subscribers, please welcome and share the videos. We need more people to be watching this authentic channel from the US. My name is Sumoto Lifestyle. For those ones who don't know, I do make videos about my lifestyle here. I want to show you the authentic life people here live here in the US. I know we have different kinds of lifestyle here in the US. We have fancy life, we have country life, we have regular life. So I don't know. For Umoto lifestyle, living here in the US, I live in the city, but at the same time, I live like a village girl. And the reason why I say that I live like a village girl, it's because I feel like I have this little backyard in my home. So I feel like planting something organic because as you know guys, here in the US things can be really pricey, expensive, especially groceries. Tell me. So if you have a place or a small piece of you can make a kitchen garden. That's what I have done. I have a small piece in the middle of the city, but I have managed to make to plant pears. And at the same time, if you want to see those pears, you can see them on my channel. I feature them like all the time, year round, year round, year round, year round. And also I have a small kitchen garden where I plant my organic. So I love to eat organic, something that I plant from my soil. And also I have told you that this love I have for planting, I didn't get it just like that. I got it from my dad. My dad who passed last year. I have videos of where I was talking about how my dad passed. I miss him so much, guys. I miss my dad so much. My dad used to be he was a retired agricultural officer. You know, the work of agricultural officers is to teach people how to do farming. That is what my dad used to do in the community, and he did that for so many years. That's how he was earning his living. That's how we were able to go to school, because my dad was an agricultural officer. He was a strong and productive farmer. I so love that guy. I miss him so much. So that inspired me. I think I have his genes, you know. So anywhere I go, so I feel like I need to plant something of my own, even if it's an apartment or a small piece. I can put soil in a pot and plant something. I'll be so happy. Even if it's 2 sticks of kales, I'll be so happy. So this spring we planted some kales. You know, every year I do plant something. You know, I love organic. So I do plant. So I have a little small kitchen. So I planted, and now guess what? We harvested. And I'm going to show you the harvesting of kales, the harvesting of onions. Oh my goodness, without wasting your time. Good time. That is the news that I wanted to show you, that finally we have harvested. Yay! Guys, check it out. Look at my harvesting, guys. Oh my world. This is kales. I just got these kales from my little garden. I cannot believe it. This is plenty, y'all. I got even onions. We harvested spring onions from this little kitchen garden. I'm going to show you a little kitchen garden. In the meantime, I just wanted to show you what we have harvested. I'm telling you, if you plant it, it's gonna grow and you're gonna enjoy harvesting. It doesn't matter you are in a city or you are in country. If you want and willing to plant something, because something like this, guys, in the store, I literally, let me tell you, something like the store, they just measure this one like this. It's $2 like this. Do you see? This is $2 in the store. But look what I have. Plenty. If I count how many dollars I have here. I can say this is $10. I'm telling you. But this one I got it from my little garden, kitchen garden. Let me show you my little kitchen garden. And these onions in the store, this is like $5. I'm telling you. But let me show you my kitchen garden, people. Let's go see my kitchen garden. So those greens I just harvested from here. I harvested literally right now from here, and we are going to eat supper. Look at that. So they were plenty. I just harvested from right here. I'm telling you, this kitchen garden of mine is not big, and also in a week, and I'm gonna harvest again. Oh, I need to harvest this one because I didn't harvest this one, so I'm gonna cut it a little bit, this one. And also I have bitter leaves that I need to harvest, but I'm gonna harvest this tomorrow. Oh my goodness, guys, look what we're doing. And also our plum is doing so well. It's growing really well. And those spring onions, I got them from here. We are harvesting our spring onions as well. There are plenty. This kitchen garden is not big. And also I have one green here. This is black nightshade or night blackshade. One of them here. But also those greens I harvested more greens from here. Look, they are coming. This is the ones that I planted a week ago, but you can tell how happy they are. And the rain has been raining, guys. I feel like I need to harvest here more. I feel like we have plenty here. You see, this is how I'm harvesting it, so we can give it time to grow, right? Yeah, guys, this is Umoto lives are getting dirty. This is what you have to do, because the reason why I'm doing this is because I love to eat organic. At the same time, I'm saving the coins. I don't want my bank to have some holes, so I rather save here. And also I'm going to cook actually tea, coffee, and let me say coffee this evening. So I need to get a little bit of mint so I can drop it in my tea. We have plenty of mint here as well, guys. I'm telling you, this kitchen garden, it may look small, but we are harvesting and eating a lot from this kitchen garden. I'm telling you. And I am in the middle of the city, guys. I'm not in country. I am in the US, in the middle of the city. But behind my backyard, I have plenty of backyard this way. And also I have plenty that way. All that. But I chose this side to plant at least some greens, some organic. Because I'm tired of buying. I'm tired of going to the grocery store. And things are very expensive. And also I chose to plant pears. Also I want to plant fruits, so we planted pears here. They're doing so well. Look, this is actually April, and the pears looking like this. Coming May, towards the end of May, we started eating these pears. And also I have another pear here, tree. It's also doing so well. Look at that, so many, plenty of pears coming. Look at that. We have plenty. So the thing is, you can plant anything wherever you are. If you plant it, it's going to grow. So guys, let me go inside and cook my kales for my people to eat. And thank you so much, guys, for always coming here to watch these authentic videos, because I just want to show you, even if you live in the US, UK, abroad, anywhere you are in abroad, you have a house, you have an apartment, anything really. Even if you have an apartment, you can get the pots. You see, the pots I'm talking about is like this. Let me show you. You can get this pot like this one here, put some soil inside a pot like this one. You can put some soil inside and plant this kind of kales. Within 2-3 weeks, you are eating your kales. Even if you are somewhere you don't have a space, don't say, oh, I have to have a home or a house for me to plant. No, you can plant anywhere. I'm telling you, you can plant even onions anywhere. So all you have to do is to dedicate yourself, and it's is to tell yourself like, I'm tired of buying, I need to grow my own. So don't tell me that I have to have a home to have a big backyard like Umoto lifestyle. No, you can have literally a pot like that, and you can enjoy, and also you can make your kitchen garden, guys. My channel is about saving. I want to save people coins. Sometimes I have a gas, yes, I have electric stuff, fancy stuff, but sometimes I choose to cook outside here because I feel like I need to save some coins, especially when I'm cooking things like beans or those things that take long. I don't want to put them in my stove. Paying the electric the bills is so high, so sometimes you can come here and save and at the same time have some fun. I love to have fun in this outdoor kitchen right here, guys. Without wasting your time, let me go inside and cook and enjoy this amazing kales. Thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe, guys. You share, you tell people about Omoto lifestyle, to watch how organic and how authentic this channel can be, showing you my little kitchen garden. See you later.